Sunrise Tools provide a variety of products for brick raking and repointing. All can be bought individually or combined as package sets. This package comprises the dust-free brick raking box kit, the SV50 M-Class dust extractor and the QuickPoint electric repointing system. The dust-free brick raking box kit comprises a 125mm grinder, a custom dust extraction coil, diamond blade, some special tools and safety equipment. The equipment is configured for upcutting, lifting the dust and debris towards the dust extractor connection point. The stainless steel skid is depth adjustable, so you can set and forget your raking depth. It also is a smooth surface with a leading edge, which makes it easy to glide along uneven surfaces. The angle of the dust guard to suit your preference by loosening the pinch bolt, rotating and retightening. To remove the blade, first undo and lower the skid, then using the custom flange nut spanner, undo the flange nut, remove the top part and the blade. For refitting the blade, be aware that the bottom flange nut is a special item supplied with the equipment and is fitted first. Then insert the blade, refit the top flange nut, and tighten with the spanner. Then reset the skid depth and tighten the lock nuts. Used properly, the equipment will allow you to rake brick joints dust free, making the task safer, cleaner and less disruptive to people nearby. For maximum dust control, rest the leading edge of the skid plate on the surface, start the grinder, then lower the blade to full depth and lead with the upturned front edge. Same process on the wall. Pivot on the leading edge of the skid plate as you lower the blade into the cut. When you've reached full depth, move forward. Plunging the blade into the cut like this or this is obviously not as clean. With the raking coil above the grinder, you work from right to left, following the upturned edge. Trying to work backwards is dusty and not very controllable. Using the correct width blade would probably have avoided this situation. Always try to rake the joint in a single pass. SV50 is an M-Class dust extractor. It has a strong polyethylene body mounted on a steel chassis, a removable suction motor, recently updated with a low airflow warning light, a large Teflon coated cartridge filter which can be cleaned without being removed, and a bagging facility for the waste which when used as instructed will result in zero spillage. Cleaning the filter in situ is quick and easy. Firstly, remove the suction hose and replace with the stepped blanking plug. Then run the motor. Wait 5 seconds, then remove and replace the T-handled blanking plug. Wait 5 seconds and repeat the process, 5 times in total. The pop you hear is an air pulse reversing into the unit. This cleans the filter. Then remove the blanking plug and refit the extractor hose. The complete process will take less than 1 minute. When the motor is switched off, the sealing flap is released and waste falls into the bag. By switching on the motor, the sealing flap is raised. So when you remove the bag, waste still within the body of the extractor cannot escape. Fit a new bag and secure with the elasticated cord. With the reverse air pulse cleaning system, it is not generally necessary to remove the filter for cleaning. However, if there is an occasion where you must remove the filter, Undo the wing nuts. Rotate the filter away from the mounting studs. Remove and place in a see-through waste bag. Knock the filter rim by hand to remove compacted dust. Do not thump the filter against a hard surface. Then replace the clean filter, rotating it so the mounting studs engage in the narrow slots. Make sure the steel washer is directly beneath the wing nut and not under the filter. Tighten all 3 wing nuts and replace the motor. Then run a full air pulse cleaning cycle to restore maximum airflow. So, to achieve dust-free brick raking, here are the key things you need to remember. Pivot on the leading edge and arc the blade into the cut. Follow the leading edge. In this instance, you'll cut from right to left. Don't plunge cut. Don't rake back and forth. Take 30 seconds every 30 minutes to clean the filter. Stop the motor to allow the waste to drop into the bag. Have the motor running when changing the bag. The user guide covers all aspects of the use and maintenance of the dust extractor. It also advises on power supplies and extension leads. The quick point is easy to use and maintain. Mortar is delivered to the nozzle by the auger, which is driven by the drill. On this drill, you set the speed using the wheel on the trigger, giving you precise control of delivery on the bed joints and the perps. It takes only a few seconds to fill the hopper and just a little longer to clean it at the end of a session. Always unplug the electrical supply before any servicing. The tip blades will wear over time. Undo the scrub screw to remove and replace them. The spares pack has replacement tip blades and a selection of nozzles. The auger is the main wear part. The wear will be more noticeable when viewed from the front, with the auger settling on the bottom of the sleeve, leaving a gap above. Apply silicone grease or petroleum jelly to the O-rings. After cleaning, make sure the steel nozzle goes in first, followed by the yellow retainer. Refit the nozzle holder and secure with the Allen key. At the back, remove the cam guard and grease the cam coupling and the cam roller. Then refit the cam guard before using the tool again. The user guide is comprehensive. It explains how to remove and refit all wear parts, and it includes a full spares listing. Our website is sunrisetools.co.uk, but do call us or email if you require advice or assistance.